Hello, let me show you the microphone comparison between AirPods Pro first generation, second generation, and the third generation. And I will do two tests, the first without any ambient sound in my office, and the second one with street sound recorded in New York. And by the way, this is how it sounds. Now I'm wearing AirPods Pro third generation. This is the microphone check without any sounds around. But now I'm gonna turn on the New York sounds and I'm gonna actually move away and then move back to the sound source. So let's find out. Okay, it's like super sound and I'm going away from the sound source. There we go. Let me know what you think about the quality, how it's cut out the background sound. And now I'm gonna go close into that sound source. So that's basically it. This is the AirPods Pro third generation. Okay, and right now I'm wearing AirPods Pro second generation. 1, 2, 3, that's the microphone check without any sounds around me. And now we are turning on the New York sounds. There we go. Let me know what you think about that one. I'm moving away from the sound source. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let's go back into the sound source. So tell me how you think. So tell me how it's cut out that background sound. Okay, and the last part, the AirPods Pro first generation. No sounds around me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone check. And let's start with the New York sounds. Okay, so I just turn it on. And we are walking away from the sound source one more time. And the last one in the test. So this is the test of the microphones in the AirPods Pro first generation with the New York City sounds around me. Now I'm coming back and it's like super loud. So yeah, that's all. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one.